Matapos ang puksaan sa Muay Thai kaninang hapon, sumabak ang over 120 candidates sa Siam Niramit Phuket. According here, it's a world-class Phuket show and one of the must-see attractions in Phuket. It is a Thai cultural show that has won international awards since 2010. So, similar to the Carnival Magic activity kahapon, may mga candidates na umall out sa kanilang outfit today, which is exciting. There were girls who wore gowns, some wore cocktail dress, and some wore casual outfits lang. In fairness, ang gaganda ng lineup ng activities ng Miss Universe 2025. Basta Thailand talaga, dahil basta sinawat, ang gaganda talaga ng mga sponsors na nakuha niya. Hindi tinipid, talagang all out kung all out. So, this will be their last activity daw in Phuket as they fly back to Bangkok daw and move to Pattaya for the continuation of the schedule of the activities, especially for the much anticipated swimsuit fashion show which will take place in Pattaya on November 14. The venue here sa Siam Niramit Phuket is very beautiful. So, let's begin. Apparently, dahil puksaan ng green and red today, oh my God, this is exciting. Parehong favorite colors ko ang sinuot ng two front runners na sina Philippines at Thailand. Pero sino naman kaya ang nangabog sa kanilang outfit at sa kanilang styling tonight? Oh my God. So starting with Vina. So Vina, she's wearing, wow, oh my God, beautiful, very strong.
Tango ba?ผู้ดีมากเลยค่ะมองนกมองไม้1 แมตช์ว้ายสวยมากเลยอ่ะสวยอลังการมาก
Vina, she's wearing, wow, oh my God, beautiful, very striking red gown. Lavan, ganon, pasabog, ang ganda. Ganda ng gown niya, day. Tapos may malaking ribbon pa sa shoulder niya. Ganda din ng hairstyle, bagay na bagay. Talagang paglabas talaga ni Vina sa lobby. Grabe, day carpet, rumampa agad siya in front of the media. Pasabog. May mahabang slit sa gown niya. Nakadagdag din ng elegance yung earrings at necklace na sinuot niya. Wow, wow, wow. This is beautiful. I love it. What I do love about Vina is very engaging siya sa mga media. Very active talaga siya. Very, very consistent talaga si Thailand din sa styling niya everyday. Pero hindi ko muna siya bibigyan ng score. Tignan muna natin yung kay Atisa Manalo kung natapatan ba ni Atisa ang pasabog na to ni Thailand, ni Vina. So, Atisa is wearing this green. Okay, girl. Okay. Okay. Now, green is also my favorite color and wow, I am so glad that she wore green tonight. Oh, gusto ko yung mahabang V-cut sa chest. Dahil ang lakas ng impact niya and yung slit, pasabog din. I love the hairstyle she chose for this outfit kasi na-highlight yung neck, yung shoulder, yung arms, pati yung legs. It's very, very sexy. It's very strong, which I love it. Ang ganda ng combination dahil ng mahabang V-cut sa top, then mahabang slit sa bottom part. Oh my God! Kita nyo? Tapos, oh my God, I love the makeup as well. Gusto yung makeup na gustong-gusto ko talaga makita kay Atisa kasi lumalabas talaga yung stage presence niya at saka yung star power niya na de-diffuse talaga yung pagiging sobrang mahinhin niya. Alam mo, nahagip ng video si Atisa with Venezuela. Take a look at this. So, apparently, Venezuela is also wearing sparkly blue-green na gown na sobrang ganda din, day. Alam mo, nung nakita ko tong video na to, ang una kong napansin, hindi si Venezuela, ang umagaw ng atensyon ko, oh my God, sino yung girl sa likod ni Venezuela? Only to find out na si Atisa pala yun. Sabi ko, oh my God, ang ganda ng look na to ha. In fairness, striking, palaban, fierce, lutang na lutang. I love it. Alam mo, bagay talaga kay Atisa yung mga bold colors. 'Di ba? Tapos may mga cut. 'Di ba? Mga cutouts kasi talagang lumalabas talaga yung star power niya. 'Di ba? I love this look. I think this is one of the strongest looks that I have seen from her. Gusto ko to. I love it. See that? Tinan mo, Day. Umaura-aura si Venezuela, oh, tinan mo. Tapos nasa likod si Philippines, pero ang lakas ng impact ni Philippines dahil nga dun sa may malaking V-cut sa chest niya. Tapos, oh my God, di ba? Taob ang sparkly gown ni Venezuela. This is what I have been waiting this is what I have been wanting to see from Atisa. She definitely stands out and slays in this dress or gown ba to? Wow. Now, between Vina and Atisa, who won? Who do I think won? I'm giving Vina's look tonight a 9.5 out of 10. Though it is stunning, pero mas nangibabaw yung puwersa ng look ni Atisa dahil nga grabe yung yung V-cut, yung mahabang V-cut tapos yung slit. Ang lakas nun dahil, lakas ng impact nun. Kaya I'm giving Atisa's look a stunning 10 out of 10. Perfection! Sana ganito yung suotin niya everyday, no? Para talaga masungkit niya talaga yung number 1 spot. Diba? Ayan, anong hanash mo na? I-comment mo na. Sino ang may pinakamagandang outfit today? Si Vina ba? Si Venezuela ba? O si Atisa Manalo, Philippines? Comment mo hanash mo dyan, Day.